What is up there, SEO pros? How you guys doing? Alright guys, welcome back to the party. Today we are going to be doing Google My Business optimizations for a client who needs Google My Business optimizations to rank locally. This is the same client we've been working with the on-page SEO when we started doing the link silos and the on-page and the site architecture setup and all that good stuff. So right now we're just continuing what we're doing, but now we're actually going to be working on the Google My Business. So I was just sent over the credentials. Basically today we're going to be focusing a little bit on getting all of the pictures set up with the correct file URLs, getting some citations built out, and also figuring out, well, we already know what we're going to be doing for the reviews, but also getting the reviews started with the correct URL we're probably going to pull from Plepper. So let's just dive right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull up the Google My Business location. So just go to Google. And I don't know what the deal with Google is lately, but they've completely grayed out the Google My Business app. So I actually have to go here and type in Google My Business. Very strange. And then at the same time, let me grab the chat. For some reason, I need to go over to, where's the live? There it is. There's the live dashboard. Cool. All right, now that we got that set up, so we'll go into here. We'll go into sign in. We'll go to manage. And I forgot to say at the beginning of this video, we also have a Facebook group. If you haven't checked out these videos before, we have a Facebook group where you can go ahead and if you text the word SEO to 66866, you can get into the Facebook group. And then you also opt into my exclusive email newsletter, where I don't actually have a newsletter. I just, send updates for like specific things that I'm doing. Like for instance, if I'm doing giveaways or stuff like that, which I think I was supposed to do a giveaway last night. Oops. I should probably hit up Chris about that. So let me make a note for myself. I don't know why I forgot that. We were supposed to be doing a giveaway last night for tickets to an internet marketing conference in Las Vegas, and I completely blanked until right about now. Where the heck is that notepad? Sorry, one second. Open up a new notepad. Oh, there it is. My notepads have been very strange lately. Okay, so contact Chris about missed appointment. And then also, if you guys need help with any of this stuff, let me know. You can just head over to chaserunner.com, and I can definitely help you out. All right, so I don't think it was actually granted to this email. I think it was granted to this one. And Dean Baylor is in the house saying, can't wait to learn. What's up, Dean? Is it Dean Baller? That would be cool. Okay, maybe it wasn't. Let me see on my email which one this was granted to. So I believe it was, yeah, it's the I'm at Chase Reiner. I just don't see it. Let's see, all locations. Let's try it one more time. Let's go back over to here. Oh, I have to accept the invitation. There we go. I'll accept it right now. Manage permissions, and we're good. Cool. So now if we go back, and then we go to not brand accounts, we have to sign in again apparently. Where did my chat keep going? There it is. Reppin' from Calgary. Nice, Dean. That's where we're SEOing for right now. Okay, so go back, and Google completely destroyed everything I was going for by not really putting me back in a good place. So I'm just gonna go type in Google My Business again and go like this and sign in again, since Google can't recognize that I was already signed in. And then I'm gonna have to sign into the different account again because Google can't recognize that I was signed into that account. This is the pain you have to go through when you're dealing with Google Plus, at least. All right, now we're in. Cool. So you'll see that Google is actually suggesting some updates for this business. So you'll see this is the address, and this looks new. Amenities, no gift wrapping of the pest control services, offerings, no used goods. So this is cool. I guess this is new to the Google My Business stuff that I haven't actually seen yet. So if we go into manage photos, you'll see, and I saw this earlier, we only have like 3 photos. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna go in here and start adding different pictures. And then we actually have a lot of pictures already on a website called Homestar. So if we go to Spartan Pest Control or Pest Control Calgary, just so we can see where we're at right now. Let's see. So there we are, Spartan Pest Control. So we'll click on, actually that's not what we want. We want Homestar, which actually, let's check if it's on the website, because that's just going to improve our credibility. Let's see, Homestar, anything about that? No. So I'm going to say on the website, let's go in here, might want to consider adding Homestar reviews or badge for high credibility. I don't know how that works with Homestar, but it might be good to actually link to that. Jay says, I feel your pain on dealing with Google. Having multiple accounts can be tricky. It just logs you into whatever it feels like. Yeah, pretty insane actually how they set that up. I mean, I don't know what Google was thinking, but it pretty much feels like they're just completely out of their minds with Google Plus. All right, I think this might, that's not it. This is it. Here we go. So we're gonna cancel out of this. And the cool thing is that what we can start doing is we can start marking up the other pages with these reviews. So I'm gonna say, since we already have reviews under certain categories, we can list these on the designated pages and mark them up to show up higher for certain services like wasp removal, which I don't even know if that's a word or like a service, but or wasp extermination, and then we can get aggregate rating, star ratings underneath our organic search results, which would be huge. And then we also get more content as well. Okay, so 96% rating, that's cool, that's cool. What we're here though is we're here to go to photos. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just go see more. See more is actually a name, isn't it? Isn't that somebody's name? Let's cancel out of this. And don't mind the mass amount of files on my desktop. I've just been too lazy to clean these up. In fact, what I'll probably do is just put all of these into that folder I have called organize, which I never actually organize, and it's just kind of like sitting there with all these things that I've never really organized. But I'll just put those in there for now. It doesn't really matter. All right, so now we're gonna create a new folder. So we'll do new Spartan Pest Control. Happy Friday, Tom. How you doing, man? Spartan Pest Control, and we'll call it pictures. Cool. All right, so what we're gonna do is, let me just put this over. Now, I was told that there was a good amount of pictures on Homestar. What I'm seeing is about 4 pictures. So hopefully these other ones are some more pictures. So I'll just go ahead and grab this. And I'm wondering if I can just save this right here. And it doesn't look like it, so I might have to actually open it. There it is. So I'll just save image. And then we're just going to give it the correct file names. So we'll open up this folder. And we might even do Picasso as well to mark up these images with geotagging. But the thing is that I was actually informed that Google strips the extra XF data, like the little data points you can put in images, and it doesn't really matter anymore. So we might just name these after the file URLs. So I actually don't know what this is. I guess we'll just say at work. So go into here, on job for pest control. We'll go to the next one. Let's just make sure that's saved in there. Yeah, it did. Cool. So we'll go to the next one. I wish there was captions here, but I guess there's not. Let's see if we can go back and see if there is captions. Nope, there's not. Okay, so we'll just do that. So I'll save image. In-house getting rid of insects. Cool. A lot of this stuff too, I mean, you can pretty much like guess, as long as you have like the semantic keywords. So one of the things you can do is go into LSI graph like this, look up pest control and then just type in different words around what you're, perhaps doing. So pest control, we're gonna do I'm not a robot, and generate. By the way, if you see my tongue and it looks orange, it's because I ate a lot of turmeric. So if you're wondering why my tongue's orange, it's because of that. Hermit says, "Gosh, I wish I could say that. I could say this in Hermit's voice from Sesame Street. Are reviews enough to rank high on maps even without backlinks? It depends. So there's certain cases where just having reviews you can rank, but you want to try to get in all aspects of the things that are important, especially citations, especially NAP consistency and all that good stuff. So local pest control company. We're just gonna put this on a notepad over here so we can make sure we keep track of all this stuff. If it ever loads, oh, it's over here. Sorry. Boom. So I guess we're just gonna put local pest control for this. Local pest control services, Calgary. Boom. So we got that one. And then we're gonna say for this one, let's just open up that notepad again. Oh, that's not it. Having some problems with the notepad today, guys. I don't know what the deal is, but I just can't get my mind to work with the notepad, or at least for it to stay shown. Where the heck does this notepad keep going? Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. It was just here. Not that one. It's not that one. It's got to be this one. Yay! All right. Rodent control, pest control company, pest control prices, local exterminator. So we'll just do that. Save image as local exterminator services. And then let's see what else we got over here. So we'll go see more. And I'm not seeing any more over here. Let's try entry points. So I think this is some other stuff. Our text. Yeah, okay, so this is more stuff. Cool. So let's go to mouse cleanup. So we can just name this what it is. Mouse droppings in-house. Let's go to the next one. Mouse infestation. Go to the next one. Save image. We'll say mouse. Let's see if there's anything around mouse in here. Mouse extermination, I guess. Go to the next one. So that's what we got there. More mouse droppings. Cool. And ideally, we're gonna want to segment all of these out anyways, into like different folder paths. But this is cool. Okay, so I guess we'll just do skunk control. I don't know if that's a word. We'll say wasp. Wasp extermination. Ant control. Ant pest control. Wasp pest control. Dean says, so there's a town just outside of Calgary. One of my clients is just outside of the town. How would I get them to show up for Google My Business in that town? You would set it as like a, I mean, you could still get them to show up. You would just make sure that you say you serve the area that's close to them too. Tarantula pest control or spider pest control. Let's try, ooh, bed bugs. Ugh, gross. Bed bug pest control services. Say gray mouse. cockroach pest control. Say picture wasp hive. All right. We'll go to entry points. Well, I don't know about this one actually, because this looks a little random. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go into the actual website, and there's also some stuff on Instagram that we can pull, but we have to use a certain plugin for that. So let me go over to Spartan Pest Control. Let's check them out in SEO Profile really quick. I want to see what's going on there after some of the changes we made. We only did like an hour and a half of implementations the other day, but I know that Jared actually went in there and did some stuff as well for the on page and the link styles and whatnot. So account, projects. Dean says they show up as a red dot on the map, but not as a business title with the stars. Well, they might not have enough reviews for that, Dean. You usually have to have about 5 reviews before you get the star rating. In most cases, not always. So we'll go to Spartan Pest Control. Ranking monitor, rank keywords. And we'll look at some of the positive alerts. Actually, sorry, we want to go to website, ranking monitor, and then alerts, like right here. Okay, so if we go into Google, just that. Here's what we got. We got reach rank number 2 for cockroach control category, bed bug treatment, airdrie, interesting, pest control category. We're starting to show up for other stuff as well. But this isn't just, you know, the keywords that we're, you know, going for. These are just the keywords that we're tracking currently. So if we go to Search Console, I almost went to Search Control. And then I go to Spartan on the other tab because Google keeps switching me out. Because Google is a silly, silly goose like me. All right, so let's try it now. You got 31 and no star ratings. Okay, that's a problem. I don't know what the deal with that is. So this is a good sign right here. When you see things like this, that's when you know something good's happening. Especially with the growth in impressions too. So if we just went only by positions and we went to like one of our main keywords like this, it says position 1, so I guess it's not really anything we should look at. But definitely for the low amount of data we have, that's a good sign right there, just to see the clicks and impressions go up like that. So that means that something we're doing is somewhat correct. So I'm just going to take a picture of that and say good sign. Now we don't want to put that in their Google My Business pictures, but that's still a good picture. I always take pictures when I see good signs to report to people, you know, kind of what the progress is that we're making. And all of this stuff, if you guys want to know how all of this happens, I literally do everything on my YouTube channel. I barely do anything that's not on my YouTube channel. So if you guys want to know how we went from getting like, you know, 10 impressions today to now getting like 100 impressions a day or whatever, you can definitely check that out. And a lot of the clients, basically all the clients that I work with, it's very, very rare. I don't even think I've ever had it in the last couple of years where it's been like dropped, except for one time when I did a disavow and it was really necessary because we didn't want to get hit by a manual penalty. But in most cases, it's always good stuff. Ralph says, my cup of tea, Google My Business. Google My Business now actually has a tea, if you guys didn't know. Ralph is a big fan of it, actually. All right, ant control. We're going to go here. We're going to grab this ant. Now these actually look a little stock photo-y, so I don't think it's a good idea to use stock photos in your Google My Business stuff. It's like, you know, you don't want to make it seem cheesy like that. And I think we already have the logo, so we're good there. What we're gonna actually do is go over to the Instagram. So we'll go here, and like I said, we're gonna need something to extract these photos. So what you do is you go to Instagram, picture extractor, like this. And by the way, if you guys haven't hit the like button yet, please hit the like button. It would help me out a lot. And I'm gonna hit the like button on this website, and I don't even know why. All right, we're gonna click this. All we do is we just go ahead and copy this URL and then put it in there. And now we have that picture. So we're gonna download that. We're gonna put that on the desktop. We're just gonna move them all over until we have a good amount of pictures, and then we'll rename them. So I'll grab this one. God, this is gross. Okay, actually, you know what? We're gonna do it now because they actually have the descriptions of these here. So, bat, facts. Whoops. There we go. Put that in there. Grab this other one. Grab the URL. Plug that in there. Press download. Jan just hit the like button. Thanks, Jan. Jan the man with a plan to hit the like button. All right, so cockroach. I don't want to name it the same stuff before. Infestation. That is so gross. I don't know how he does it. Jared, if you're watching this, I don't know how you do this stuff, man. I would freak out. Ooh, that is awful. Look at that. Oh, God. All right, save. Actually, sorry, grab the URL again. I don't know what that is. Like, maybe that's like cockroach, the aftermath of I don't even know what you would call that. Oh, it already says it here. Oh gosh, getting rid of cockroach infestation again. So, and there's really, oh shoot, I just canceled out of that. There's really no limit on the amount of pictures you can put on your Google My Business profile. I mean, I think the more the better. Okay, let's grab, whoops, that wasn't it. Grab this one over here. Eric says, wow, it's live. Cool, dude. What's up, Eric? Happy you're joining us for this event right now. This magical stream we're having here. Spartan Pest Control, what's up, Jared? Dude, I'm looking at all these pictures, and this is just brutal, dude. I don't know how you are able to... I don't know how you're able to do this stuff, man. I would freak out. Oh, I didn't spell poison right. Let me spell that with an O. There we go. Boom. So we're gonna actually use these different images here too, because why not? I don't do it for free, bro. Well, even if you get paid for it, dude, that's still brutal. All right. Best bed bug facts. Boom. And we're gonna use all of these as like additional photos, so this isn't like, you know, for the main service area or anything. Download. Boom. Skunk facts. Go over here into this one. Fly facts. Flyfacts.com. Bet you that's a website. Flyfacts. Homestar has a lot of photos too. Yeah, I grabbed a bunch of them. Nugan's here with the SEO party. Grab your lights and your glow sticks, Nugan, because we're having a party here. I wish I could play like mainstream techno music in the background, but I can't, because then I can't monetize this, and then everybody loses because I'm not making any money, and nobody can watch my stuff because I have to go get a real job. Well, this is a real job, but all right, WASP facts. Wow, we got 20 people in the house right now in the SEO party. If you guys are enjoying this, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know how much you're enjoying this party right now. All right, cockroach facts. Not a real job. I'm a real boy. All right, boom. Rat facts. Ratfacts.com is definitely a website. Live the dream, Chase. I'm trying manual, but the only thing I have to really, you know, I just put in Rat Dreams as the file name. You guys are messing me up. Rat facts. The thing is that like my main goal in life is to not let my dreams turn into memes. Because once that happens, it's game over, you know. Also, we need to get Instagress set up for this, so I'm just gonna put that note in there. Where does that notepad keep going? Here we go. Need to set up Instagress for Spartan. Oh my god, I can't handle Skype messages all day. Like, I literally get them. So relieving closing Skype. Like, I don't think you guys understand. All right, cancel out of that. We got a good amount of pictures now, so now what we got to do is we just got to set them up. So let me get out of here. And actually, I'm gonna close some tabs right now because this is just crazy. Oh, Spartan has Instagress, but I still want to check it out. I still want to check it out to see what you're doing. But good job already having Instagress. Eric says, only Eric will leave now because it's 11 p.m. over here. Netherlands, say hello to the Dutch people. Hello to the Dutch people. Eric, don't leave, man. It's only 11. You can stay up and watch this. Just believe in yourself. All right. I'm just kidding. Go ahead. I mean, you need your sleep, dude. It's more important than watching this. I'm going to cancel out of this. Cancel out of... By the way, Jared, if you haven't seen it already, if you look at the search console right now, this isn't it. But I was looking at it the other day, or earlier in this stream, and it looks like we're making good progress. It looks like Google's starting to pick up this stuff, which is really cool. I'm going to show you again if you haven't seen, if you weren't here earlier. Manuel says, where's the water bottle, Chase? Oh, it's here. Don't worry about that. Eric says, next time. If there is a next time, Eric. I'm just kidding. Vondra says, hey, Chase, sup? What's up, dude? All right, look at this. So our impressions and clicks look like they're starting to go up. So that's a good sign. That means that we're kind of going in the right direction. Jay says, when doing Google My Business, is it possible to set up multiple categories for your business? And if so, would that be beneficial? Yeah, but Google's only going to be pulling like one of your main categories, even though you can put separate categories. George says, do you have Instagress video? I'm just put mine up to get good pro tips. Yeah, so if you look up Instagress Instagram bot automation right now, gosh darn it, dude. Instagress bot automation, or Instagram. I did an hour video with somebody who's like a pro at this stuff. That's right here. I'll just link to it for you. George says, yeah. Oh, sorry. Spartan says, yes, got here 5 minutes ago. That's okay, though. I understand. All right, so cancel out of that, cancel out of that. And let's start setting this stuff up if you guys are ready. If you're ready, press 1. If you're not ready, then I don't know what to tell you. All right, so we're going to go into here. And then we want to actually upload to certain categories. So like, for instance, we want to open or do for, gosh darn it. There used to be a tab to do the different ones, but now it's just like product and by owner. So product would be the services. So let's just grab those. So let's just create a different folder for the services. And then we'll just do like this and this and that and that and that and that and some of these and some of those. Cool, so we got those. We're just gonna go ahead and grab those, put those over there. Whoops, boom. George says boom, nice, thank you, you're welcome. And Spartan says 1, and we got Dean saying 1. Jan is talking in Spanish. Jay says 1, Manuel says 1. Tahir gave us a 400, which means he's really ready. And Evandro says, Chase, you will set up the Google My Business from 0 now? Yes, most definitely. So for team, what we're gonna want is a couple pictures of you, Jared, because Jared actually used to do modeling, so this will be perfect. Jared, we need a few pictures of you and the team. And you'll see we already have a few pictures over here, but I would rather have those in services. So I would say at least 3. And then for the identity, this is the logo. And then by owner, we're just going to put those other extra pictures in there. So we'll just grab this and go to here and grab these other ones. Boom. Boom chakalaka. Am I the only one who likes Nickelback? Because I feel like nobody likes Nickelback anymore. They used to be like a popular band, but... Alright, so we got some of those filled out. We just got to get some more identity or team photos going on there. But now you'll see we have 28 photos, which is phenomenal. And hopefully that'll help improve our insights over time. The other thing that we want to do is we want to start getting updates going through Google Plus, which I think I already talked to Jared about. Yeah, I did. And I think we might be doing some. So let me just check in here. So we'll go to Google. Dang, you already got a new review, Jared. That's awesome. All right. So to check out that page, just go to Google Plus. We're going to keep this other one open so we don't lose it. And then you see we can actually claim our URL. So I think what we should do is claim our URL. I don't want to change it yet for Jared until he says it's okay. So change Google Plus URL to Spartan Pest Control. Maybe even Calgary. And then if we go to see it's already recommending it. Hey Jared, if that's cool, can I just claim that? So while we're waiting on that, I'm just gonna open up a new Google Plus. I don't want to lose that. Go back. Go back. Baby, come back. Ooh. Come back to me. All right. We probably just lost like 3 viewers from that awful singing. All right, home. Profile, sorry. And it doesn't look like we're posting, see? So we haven't really been posting. We really need to get that set up. And it looks like we don't have any followers either, which it's kind of opinionated on whether or not you should have followers. Like there's something you can use for Circle Scope for this, but I wouldn't worry too much about it. As long as we keep updating this. Okay, Jared says cool. Yay. Because this is mucho importante. Now that you have Google account, create a Google. What is this? Okay, you might have to claim this, Jared, because I don't know why it's not letting me claim it because it's saying I don't have a Google account yet. So you have to do this under yours. I'll give you the link. It's on. I'll send it to you in the email. Claim Google Plus URL. What the heck? Oh, there we go. All right. Cool. So let's cancel out of that. Cancel out of that. Cancel out of that. And then let's check out some of the actual things that we're doing in here. So you'll see we're open 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. I believe, so 24/7. This is fine, but we want to make sure that this is consistent. So wait, hold on. It says this location has updated information from Google. Review these published updates and make sure they're accurate. So if these are accurate also, Jared, we should update this. And also, this is fine. So the reviews are one thing. We got some pictures in here now, cool. Before we publish these updates, we should, I mean, Google's recommending this for a reason. So we do want to do that. Well, Jared said do what you need to do, but I just want to make sure that this is correct. All of this is correct. And then we're going to want to plug this into Moz Local as well as plug it into get the citations built out, which I need to get the link for Jared. Get citation links for Jared. Or link. So what do we need to do next? Next, what we're going to be doing is there's some stuff that we needed to do through the audit. Let's just do a quick overview of that. So if I look up Spartan audit, this was the one we did. So you'll see there's the top 10 and then there's all the things that we found. Let me just do one of these really quick. Okay, so Jared said it looks good, so we're going to accept it. Here we go. Looks good. Let's go back to the audit. So shorten title tags on these pages, we can do that. But we want to look at the more important things at first. So get rid of organization markup on homepage. Let's just check out a couple of these things to see how we're doing in these certain places. So we're going to cancel out of that. We're going to go back into Spartan Pest Control. So we'll go over here and we'll go into Spartan Pest Control. And we're going to check out the organization markup. So we'll go to Extractor Data Testing Tool. And we'll open up Structured Data Testing Tool. Because I don't want to wait. It looks like the organization markup was taken off and the local business markup's on, which is great, but we still have the article markup. So we really need to figure out where the article markup's getting pulled from. For our lives to be over. Where is it? Why is my notepad doing this to me right now? It like keeps minimizing itself. Okay, need to get article markup off every page. Are citations really giving juice to the website? Citations are also muy importante, Mr. Hermit Crab. So definitely need to have that happen if you're doing local. I do it even for national. Like I do it for my national website. So like for Chase Reiner, this isn't even local, but I still do citations to it because it just improves credibility. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next episode. So shorten title tags, take out the meta keywords site-wide. Let's make sure we don't have meta keywords anymore. So we'll go into here, boom. And meta keywords have been taken out, which is great. I don't remember if I did that or if Jared did that. So fixed. Get rid of organization markup. We got that one done. Take out article markup, or we got to fix that for sure. Probably want to improve on the local business markup. Put an image, which I think we might have done. Let me go back over here, local business. And it looks like there's an image, but it's just the URL, which is not an image. So we can get more specific with the local business markup. We might want to look at that in a little bit. Not right now, though. Oops. I hate this notepad. I don't know what it's doing, but it's literally the bane of my existence right now. Dean says, Viat says citations are important, especially for maps, especially. And yeah, citations are super important. I mean, you want your name, address, phone number listed across relevant websites and hyperlocal citations as well. Dean says, how do citations work if you went from HTTP to HTTPS? That means you just have to fix the URLs. Take out article markup from homepage. Probably want to improve. So we got that. Make titles longer. We haven't done that yet. Add H1s. This is all just general stuff. Set up Search Console, which we did. No index tags, which let's make sure we did that. So we'll go into here. We'll do site : boom and tags. Ooh, product tag ants is still there. So, well, actually it's not there. Let's view page source, index, no index. So it looks like we're no indexing tags now, which is great. Wow. Okay, fixed. Delete uncategorized archives. Oh, I don't think we did that yet. Let's try site : Spartan Pest Control uncategorized. Uncategorized. What the heck? Boom. And we got hello world in here still too, which is also 404ing, which is amazing. Sliders are still here, which I'm gonna hopefully say that those aren't there anymore. Nope. And graphic river. So all these things are 404ing, which is totally gonna increase our crawl rates, which is perfect. And I'm sure if we go into Search Console, we'll be able to see that the crawl rates have probably gone up a little bit. It doesn't happen immediately. It doesn't always happen immediately, but Google might start upping the crawl rates after we start doing these no indexes and start updating our content with relevant things that Google wants to see. So if we go back over to here, we go into crawl and crawl stats. Looks like there's a huge spike right here, which is very recent, probably right after the initial implementations. And you'll see this hasn't really been happening for a while. And then also it looks like it's going up here as well. So that's good news. Which makes sense because, you know, we wanted this stuff to be de-indexed. And you'll also see that they're removing a lot of this stuff because, you know, not picking it up as quality stuff. But we do want to make sure that the uncategorized archive's not there. I think it's not, so I'm just going to say fixed. Get rid of auto 301s, which we did. So now all those pages are 404ing, which is helping Google understand that they're not redirects. No index shortcodes and templates, which we did, which is great because now we have more of a crawl rate optimization theme going. Take out services license insured. I don't know why we would want to take that out. Let's check that out. Will those e-pages go away after a while? Yeah, so those are going to go away. They're going to go far, far away. Just Google takes a while to no index 404 pages, but Google's going to stop looking at those in a little while. So this is something we need to get rid of. Let's see if this is no index. So we need to get rid of this for sure because this is nothing. So we're going to go into WP admin. I don't remember if there was a login created for me. Let me just check this out really quick. And for some reason, my emails just decided to completely leave me like my mind does. I don't know why. I don't know why. I keep on singing. Wow. You guys can't see this, but my email is totally just not letting me do anything right now. Hold on 1 second. Just give me 1 moment. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Ah! Get out of here. I don't want you. Email pop-ups. Okay, I got it. I got it, guys. You don't have to worry anymore. I know how worried you all were. Y'all. Ow! I just got a notification. It destroyed my ears. What the hell? Okay, for some reason this login's not working right now, Jared. I don't know why. Yeah, for some reason it's not working. So I don't know if this was changed or what, but maybe it's working now. Nope. So if you could get me a new login, because we need to no index this page. Take out the rest of the bloat pages and no index author archives, which I think we did. May have changed the password, emailing you updated one. Cool. Jared is the man. Praise says, hey Chase, I'm doing local SEI site, SEO, for rank and rent. So for citations, I need to give them an address. I don't want to use my own. What should I do? Like for Yelp and stuff. Got to do the address, Praise. Either that or put like a address that, you know, you can say is your address, but it's not. I mean, you got to put something. It's just how it is, man. Sorry to tell you. Sorry to be the person who has to give you the smackdown on that one. All right. Continue to build out citations. We're waiting on that. Should start working on 2-3 reviews a day. So we're starting on this. Should probably look further into backlink profile. Really want to get trouble. So we looked at this a little bit. I'm not going to spend that much time. Conversion tracking, I think we started doing. Let's double check on that. So, by the way, if any of you want a roadmap like this that I did for Jared and help with implementations, just let me know. I'm pretty busy right now, but you can still head over and get an audit from me for my website. It's only like $200, so if you guys are looking for the optimal way to improve your website and get a roadmap for what you're currently doing, let me know. All right, so go back to Spartan Pest Control. Or sorry, analytics. Had to let some synapses fire there in my brain before I could remember. And we're going to go to Spartan. Because I don't want to wait for our lives to be over. Okay. Cool little spike of traffic there. Looks like it might be going up a little bit. So we're going to go to conversions, goals, overview. And it looks like we haven't set up conversions yet. So we really want to make sure we do that. Let's see if there's anything in the site events, which if we go into here, overview, under behavior, we can see, looks like live chat is a conversion. So we'll make sure that that's a conversion. So for the, all we have to do is just make sure that the event category is showing up. So what we do is we go over to admin, which has now been changed to the bottom left to make things more confusing. And we're going to go to here, new goal. We're going to call it chat pop-up. And we'll call it event, continue. And the category equals to, let's go back to that category so we can grab it. Evandro says, Chase, how do you get rid of 301 in a safe way? Well, you stop using the plugin that you're using for the 301. Dean says 200 CAD, 200 US dollars. And we'll go to events, overview. Spartan says Homestar is a lot of conversions. What does that mean? George says, do you audit ecom design UI conversion issues? I get visitors, but just no buys. Yeah, of course. CRO is super important for e-commerce. Somebody's calling me right now. Should I answer it? Oh, I can't illegally record them. Okay, so we'll just go to that event category, go back here, that's the category. And then we could also set an action. So anybody who sends a live chat, so if we go to action, button clicked, I think that's a good conversion. So we'll just do button clicked. Well, actually, is this still something that's on the site? Because I don't remember seeing this. Let's go here. Spartan Pest Control. I hope this isn't an interstitial. Oh, no, there it is. Cool. So boom, clicked. And then the send is actually the one that we care about because the click doesn't really matter. So we're going to grab button clicked and then actually we're going to do chat request form submitted. That's the real conversion. Did it pull the whole one? There it is. And the value for that is probably, okay, what? So we'll say 1 out of the 5 people converts into a customer, and we'll say that, you know, the average conversion is $250. So we would just take 250 divided by 5. So let me get my calculator because I don't actually know math. I just know SEO. 250 divided by 5, and that is 50. So we'll say the average value of that is $50, and we'll verify this goal. So 0 conversion rate. I think this might be regular expression. Re-verify? No? Why is that not showing up? It should show up. So is the label different from the action? No, that should be it. Let me check this out. So that looks good. Make sure there's no spaces in here. That looks good. So I don't know why this isn't. Okay, let's just take this out and see what happens. So we'll just verify. That's bizarre. That should totally show up. So if we go to event category, this is the category. You just try to take it from here. Re-verify. What? Oh, because the value has to be greater than 50. So actually, we'll take this out, re-verify. There it is, and then we're gonna take that label. Sorry, I'm sorry, guys. I let you down on that one. Don't get too mad at me. So we'll go back to here. Go to here. Go to the label. There it is, and we'll put that in there. And then instead of creating the value at that one, whoops, sorry, it's supposed to be chat request. Instead of creating the value at that one, we're going to say this is the value, 50. And then we re-verify, boom, save. Now we have conversions for the live chat, which is great, because we can start measuring that with the organic traffic and see how many people actually convert from organic. And after that, we're going to go to the contact, see where this takes us. Oh, nice. Oh wait, actually this was already a thing. Never mind. Sorry. Don't listen to me. So we're gonna say Chase. I'm at Chase Runner and test 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna see where this takes us. Whoa, that didn't even do anything. It just pretty much went through without even saying anything. Yeah, so that's a problem. We either need event tracking on that, or we need to have that be a redirect. So, gosh, you notepad. Not you guys. You guys aren't notepads. So need to get conversion. Redirect going from contact page, or put in event tracking, depending on what contact form we are using. All right. By the way, actually, never mind. Never mind that I found someone like you. Okay. So let's go back to the audit. Let's go into continue to build local indexing profiles with Moz Local, which I think Jared started setting up. Should probably look further into backlink profile. We already looked at that. Use better anchor text and click here on about page. So this is more stuff we do need to work on. I'm going to save this for now. I'm probably going to end it right now because I like to do a little bit of implementation here and there. I will be doing more SEO for other sites today, and I'll probably be doing more SEO for Spartan in the next couple of days as well. If you guys found this valuable, please hit the like button. And by the way, Spartan says he doesn't understand how to use Moz Local, so I can show you how to do that. We don't have to do that live. But anyways, until next time, guys, happy SEOing, and hopefully I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'll probably be back on in an hour or so. So hopefully we'll see you guys then. So until next time, I think I already said this. But until next time, again, happy SEOing.